We this year have 382 Warbird aircraft registered here, which is an all-time high. Wish I could take credit for that, but it's just a great bunch of people. We're having a Mustang tribute to Colonel Bud Anderson this afternoon. So you'll see as many Mustangs as you've probably seen in a very long time flying together in tribute to Colonel Bud Anderson.
The aircraft behind me today is a North American P-51H model. It's the last production model of the P-51 series of Mustangs that North American built. They only built 555 of them. There's about 7 airframes left in the world, and this is the only flying example today.
So this particular Mosquito is a fighter bomber 6, a de Havilland fighter bomber 6. Started life in Hatfield in England in 1945. It was built only a few months before the hostilities ended. We've got, 15 staff back in New Zealand, and half of them have come with us this time. This must be my, 10th visit, I guess. And we've brought guys that their dream has always been to come to AirVenture. And the opportunity to come with an airplane that they've restored and be part of this whole environment is just fantastic.
This airplane was my first Warbird restoration, and I initially saw a picture of this aircraft when the Canadians were operating theirs and it was in Flying Magazine, March or April 1974. And I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and so who would ever know that 20 years later I would have one.
Why Warbirds? It's one easy way to explain why Warbirds. Take a look at that airplane. That is just the best looking airplane in the world.
We're here to honor and to record and to tell the history as it was.